Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit your status on Discord using your Android device. Keeping your status updated is a fun way to let your friends know what you're up to. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got the Discord app open on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your server list. Next, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Give it a tap. This will take you to your user settings where you can personalize your account. Now that you're in your profile settings, it's time to update that status. Look for the Edit Status option and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a text box where you can type in whatever status you'd like. Whether it's indicating that you're gaming, studying, or just chilling, make it reflect what you're doing. Once you've entered your desired status, don't forget to save your changes. Simply tap Save in the top right corner of your screen. And just like that, your new status is live for all your friends to see. So there you have it. Editing your status on Discord is a quick and hassle-free process. Now you can keep your friends in the loop about your activities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Discord.